How to download FIFA 22 on PS4. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can download FIFA 22 on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to download FIFA 22 on PS4, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, you can actually download it via a CD. If you have a physical card or the CD, you will be able to actually install via those, but you can also actually buy it from your PlayStation Store. So go ahead and then open your PlayStation Store application here. Once you launch your PlayStation Store app, in the search box you simply want to go ahead and then type in FIFA. Now it could be FIFA 22 or FIFA 23 depending upon whatever else you want. This is not a free game, keep that in mind. It's actually a paid game, so you have to pay a certain amount of price to be able to play the specific game on your PlayStation console. This way you'll be able to download FIFA on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.